In this video, I'll detail how to add or enable Grammarly Writing Assistant to Samsung keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So here, while using the keyboard on your Samsung phone, you can easily add the Grammarly Writing Assistant to your keyboard to make it easier for you to write whenever the need arises. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to enable Grammarly Writing Assistant on Samsung keyboard is go to the Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and you want to click on General Management. Once you selected that, scroll down as well and click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After this, scroll down, select third-party content to use, then locate Grammarly and click on it. That is Grammarly Writing Assistant. Turn on this. Then you need to agree to the terms of use. Then once that is enabled, you can just go back to the messaging app or the messenger and then write. Then you should see the Grammarly Writing Assistant enabled. So if you click on these three dots, then click on this add, you can easily add the Grammarly Writing Assistant here. So that is how you can easily enable or add Grammarly Writing Assistant to your Samsung Galaxy phone keyboard. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.